Okay, so the rest of those problems, I think it was 18 through 20, those were all from the Unit 9, and we did not get to that. So we're going to go ahead and skip to number 21 next, where we are finding the area of each of these figures. Now, it's important to remember the area, how to find them. You'll probably want to write down these formulas on your note card. So to find the area of a kite, we're going to take 1/2 the diagonal 1 times the diagonal 2. Okay, so this right here, diagonal 1, doesn't really matter. It can be this one right here or the other one. And then diagonal 2 is going to be 7 and 7. So when I take those and I multiply them together, I have 1/2 times 5 plus 13, which is 18 on that red diagonal, and 7 plus 7, which is 14 on that blue diagonal. Multiply those together, we should end up with 126 meters squared for your final answer. Okay, looking at problem number 22, we should notice here automatically that all of my side lengths are congruent. So that should tell you something. It should tell you that this is going to be a rhombus because we don't know anything else about right angles. And then the formula for a rhombus is also 1/2 diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. So if we go ahead and highlight here diagonal 1, we'll say that this is my diagonal 1, and then my diagonal 2 is that 10 and 10. So when I plug this in, I get 1/2 times 7 plus 7, which is 14, and times 10 plus 10, which is 20. So plug that in the calculator, and you should end up with 140 centimeters squared. Don't forget the units. All right, here I've got a triangle. Now the trickiest thing about this triangle is we got to figure out what the height is. This 11 right here, even though it kind of looks like it's the height, it is not the height. The height is the thing that is perpendicular to the base. So I see a perpendicular or a right angle right here. So I can assume right now that my 9 inches is my height. Okay, so since my 9 inches is my height, I look and see, okay, what my base is. My base is not 17. My base is what that 90-degree angle goes to, which is that 35 degrees. So area of a triangle will take 1/2 base times height, which equals, for us in this specific problem, 1/2 times 35 times 9. And when you plug that in the calculator, you end up with 157.5, and then don't forget inches squared. Number 24 is a parallelogram. Parallelogram, all it is, area equals base times height. And my base, again, is the thing that's perpendicular. Since I know this is a parallelogram, if this is 30, this is also 30 down here. My height is the thing that is perpendicular, so my height is 5. So my area is 30 times 5, which is 150. So 150 meters squared.